Hey guys, I wanted something simple and easy for dinner, and I got thinking, what about saffron chicken? I thought that's going to be so good. Few ingredients, let it marinate for about an hour. I usually do it the night before, let it marinate, and then just put it in the air fryer the next day. It turned out absolutely incredible. You're going to love it, so let me show you how to make this. Okay guys, we're going to start by making our marinade, and I'm going to use a quarter cup of olive oil, and you can use extra virgin if you like. A good pinch of saffron strands. Now let me tell you guys, I really like saffron, but it is expensive. Like this little container here, $9.99. But it's always good to have in your pantry, but it is like liquid gold. Now, I got mine from the bulk barn, but you can pick it up just about anywhere. You can use it in a lot of dishes too, such as piaia, anything like that. It's really a nice thing to have on hand. About a quarter of a sliced up onion here. About a quarter teaspoon of cumin. Now remember, cumin is really strong. A good squeeze of lemon, and this would be about a tablespoon. I think I got a pit in there, I'll take it out. Some salt, and I always say do this to taste, and of course some ground black pepper. Of course we're going to mix this up. Mixing we will go. Now I'm going to add in 2 chicken quarter legs, which is about, I'd say a couple of pounds, or half a kilo. And we'll just kind of toss this around until it's nicely coated in that mixture. Be so good. Now you notice guys, the chicken is kind of turning yellow, and that's from the saffron, and that's what you want. I've gotten some kind of imitation saffron, and it doesn't turn the color and it doesn't have the taste. So this is just beautiful. Now I'm just going to let this marinate for about an hour and flip it occasionally. And if you haven't already done so guys, please subscribe and click that notification bell and set it to all so you always get notified of everything that's going on. And hit that like, it really helps us out. Hey Dave, is somebody ringing that fandangled bell? Would you shut it off? Okay guys, I've had my nap and our chicken is marinated nicely for about an hour. And what I sometimes do is put it in the fridge the night before and then just slip it in the air fryer or the oven, and you're good to go the next day, and it doesn't take nearly as long. And I should also mention, you can bake this, grill it, deep fry it, just adjust your baking time accordingly. So I'm going to air fry this about 375 Fahrenheit, that's 200 Celsius, for around 30 minutes. After about 30 minutes in the air fryer, guys, we are beautifully done, and look at this, just how nice and crispy it is. The second one on the plate, and we are done. And there we have it, our beautiful and tasty saffron chicken served up with some cucumber and tzatziki sauce. It doesn't get any better. Okay, let's go ahead and dig into this, my most favorite time in the whole world, and see what we have. Sorry about the squeak, that's just the plate. Just look at this, guys. Now I'm going to dip this into the tzatziki sauce, get a bit of cucumber on there. This is simply to die for, guys. The outside of the chicken is crispy, the inside is tender and juicy, and that saffron just shines through. I love the sauce, everything about it. You absolutely have to make this. So delicious. So for this recipe and many more great recipes, head on over to cookandshare.com. We're currently revamping the site, a total new look, easy to navigate, just absolutely crisp and beautiful. You're gonna love it. Thanks for watching, stay safe guys, and see you next time.